Want to enable haptic feedback in Duolingo but don't know how? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you exactly how to enable haptic feedback in Duolingo. Let's get started. Open Duolingo on your device. Look for the avatar icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Then, in the top right corner, you will find a gear icon. Tap on that to access settings. Within settings, find the section labeled Preferences and tap on it. Here, you will see an option Haptic Feedback. Currently, it is turned off. To enable the haptic feedback, tap on the toggle icon corresponding to it. Tap on the back arrow icon at the top left corner. Finally, don't forget to click on Done at the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it! You have successfully enabled haptic feedback on Duolingo. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.